What are the goals of the collaboration within Makerere University and the University of Padua?
Buongiorno. First of all, I want to say that I'm very happy to be back here in Padua. I was here 2 years ago, and we were just getting out of COVID, and we signed a very important MOU between Makerere and the University of Padua. And that MOU seeks to increase collaboration between our two universities. And that includes exchange of students, exchange of faculty, joint research, and joint conferences. So it is a very important MOU for us to collaborate with one of the oldest universities in the world. It's not something that we take for granted.
You are talking about environmental collaboration, environmental diplomacy. What can be the relationship between environmental protection and economic and social development in Africa? And what is the role of the universities?
Well, the environment, as far as we are concerned at Makerere University at least, is a very important subject for us. As you are aware, we are located in what is called the Great Lakes region. The Great Lakes region is the worst affected by climate change. It has got a very high population, and our rivers and lakes are at the risk of drying up, according to what scientists are telling us. Therefore, environmental protection is a subject that is of utmost importance for us to ensure that we can contribute to reducing the effects of climate change in order to protect the environment and protect the people and their livelihoods.
Are there some specific project about facing the climate change now in the Makerere University?
Yes, we have got several projects. A lot of people live, for example, a lot of people live around Lake Victoria, and we have got to see that the lake, first of all, remains clean, but also that it is not polluted due to overpopulation. We have got to see that our wetlands and the rivers can continue to flow and sustain the livelihoods of the people around. Therefore, we are doing quite a little bit of work around that. Apart from that, we are looking at very special ecosystems. And as you may have heard, Makerere is now collaborating with the University of Padua through Professor Giorgio Andriani on the issue of Mount Moroto, which is one of the most important ecological systems we have in Uganda.
What about the Mount Moroto area today, and what are the next goals?
We intend to protect Mount Moroto for the whole of humanity, so that the whole of humanity can come and experience the special environmental systems that exist on that mountain, the special fauna and the flora. And we have to work and get it protected by the United Nations Environmental and Education, UNESCO. We have got to get it approved as a UNESCO Special Heritage Site for the whole of humanity to be able to enjoy it.